angels, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Lucy, thanks for being here. And if you're not new and you've watched my other videos, then love you for coming back. If you're thinking, she's glowing, you'd be right, because I just filmed another video before this testing out the iconic London Illuminator and Prep Set Glow Spray, and whoa, it's dramatic. This video will be going up first, but then I will be putting that video up, so make sure you subscribe and put notifications on, because in like a week's time you're going to be able to watch that video too. But back to today's video, which is so exciting. So a few weeks ago I bought the Huda Beauty mystery bag. So Huda Beauty, if you don't know, she's got her own makeup line. She's now created her own skincare line, Wishful Skin. I'll put a link here. I recently tested the Wishful Skin chin lifting sculpting mask. Do you think my chin looks great? Yes. So make sure you check that out. Huda Beauty makeup is amazing, but it is quite expensive. And she does these mystery bags every so often, which is literally half the price of what the makeup should be. You get 6 full-size items in the big one, and it's for like £57 or something, which is less than £10 an item, and that is not a thing. Like, that is so cheap. So today I'm going to be unboxing my big mystery box with you. I'm kind of nervous because I do have quite a lot of Huda Beauty products already, so I could open this and literally have everything. But the good news for you is everything I do have, I'm going to be giving away to you, which is so exciting. I'm going to be doing a giveaway on Instagram, so head over to my Instagram now at lifeoflucy_ and give me a follow if you don't already. Anyway, carrying on, let's get into it. Cute. Oh, what's just fallen? Let's read that. Thanks for grabbing a mystery bundle, gorgeous. No worries, Huda. So it comes all in a Huda Beauty tote bag. I'll be the most glam person in Sainsbury's with my Huda Beauty tote bag. I'm actually really nervous to open this. What if I've got everything? That would be a waste of £60, but still, your benefit. I'm also going to go through the prices of what this would have cost if I bought it all separately, just to really show you what the savings are. I can already see something I've already got. Oh no, it's fine, it's fine. It comes like this. Let's open it. Okay, I can see stuff I don't have though, and stuff I really wanted. Oh, this, the little air bubbles are hearts. How cute. It's all about the finishing touches, guys. Okay, first up we have got part of her new Wishful skincare line. She has got this Yo Glow enzyme scrub. Wishlist, healthy glow, retexturizing, brightening, even skin tone. This can do all of that. So that's just a little sample of that scrub. I've got a lot of makeup on right now, so I'm buzzing to scrub it all off with this. Okay, first things first, what I already have. The Emerald Obsessions eyeshadow palette. I am just going to quickly take this out of its packaging to show you, because someone's going to be winning this. It's beautiful and I use it a lot. Look at those gorgeous colours. I am obsessed with this eyeshadow palette. I use it all the time. I've created some really cool looks, and one of you will be creating some cool looks, so that's exciting. Next, Ruby Obsessions. I haven't got this, so these will be some new colours for me. I've got Emerald and Mauve? Mauve? M-A-U-V-E, Mauve. Mauve Obsessions. And now I've also got Ruby Obsessions, so let's take a look. It's so pretty. I love pinks and purples and things, so that is amazing. Oh, Matte Perfection pre-makeup base. I actually don't wear primer at the moment and haven't got anything that's like a pre-makeup base, so great for me to test this out. It's a good size. Oil-free mattifying makeup base. I am the oiliest person potentially in the world, so buzzing to use that. And if anybody else has got any other tips of how to get rid of oily skin, then help me. Now we have got 2 lip colours. She does these lip things called demi matte, so like kind of matte but not a full matte lip, and they're amazing. I've used them before. These colours are lovely, but I don't know how me they are. But that's the risk you take when you buy a mystery bundle, I guess. So I'm going to give away one of these as well. So whoever enters my giveaway on Instagram will win a Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette and a Huda Beauty Demi Matte lipstick, which I think is a great prize. Final thing. Guys, this is emotional. I haven't done any prices and I told you I would. Right, we're gonna go back in a minute and go through all the prices, but I have wanted the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette forever. But her big palettes are expensive and your girl's not been able to afford one. So, oh my days, I've got it. I've got the Rose Gold palette. Oh, let's open it up and really look at these colors. So I got 3 eyeshadow palettes, a primer, 2 lipsticks and a scrub sample and a tote bag. So I've done pretty well. Oh God, it's so beautiful. I've wanted this for so long, like years. Look how stunning she is. I'm literally obsessed with her. And now the big reveal. I can't. That rose gold in the rose gold palette is absolutely outrageous. I'm obsessed. I'm absolutely in love. This is worth the whole money, which means I probably should have just bought the big palette when I wanted it. But anyway, I like surprises. Now let's go through prices. So I'm just gonna grab my phone and head over to the Cult Beauty website. I bought the mystery box from the Huda Beauty website themselves, which I think came from like Dubai or something. But normally when I just buy her individual things and I wanna just get them from the UK, I buy them from Cult Beauty. So I paid £57 all in all for this mystery bundle. That included postage and everything. £57 is what it came to. This palette alone is £56. So I take back what I said that I might as well have just bought this. No, I paid £1 more and got loads of other stuff. So this is well worth the mystery bag. So £56, whoa. These Obsessions palettes are £25 each. So that's another £50. We're now £106 worth of stuff. The pre-makeup base is another £26. We are now £132. These demi-matte lipsticks are £18 each, bringing our total now to £168. And on top of that, we got a tote bag and a sample of the scrub. Let's call it £175. £175 worth of stuff for £57, including postage, or 56, whatever I said. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. That is amazing. Not only have I got a palette I've always wanted, I've also got another palette and a makeup base and a scrub to try and a lipstick, and I get to give another lipstick and eyeshadow palette away to one of you. So this has been the best purchase ever, basically. I'm so happy. Yes, the risk was there with dodgy colours and things you already have, but I overall don't think I did bad at all, and I would definitely get a mystery bundle again. I've loved this. It was so fun unboxing this with you. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you bought a bundle too, let me know what you got in the comments and what you thought of this video. Thanks so much for watching, angels. Love you loads. Bye.